Hello, friends! Welcome to our English podcast. Today we learn how to order food. Ordering food can feel scary. But do not worry. I will teach you easy ways. Everyone needs to eat. Learning these words helps you get good food every day. Are you ready to learn? Great! Let us start ordering food in English now. Say I would like when you order. This sounds polite. I would like pizza, please. Can I have is also good. Can I have a burger? Everyone understands this. I want is simple and direct. I want chicken. This works in casual places. May I have sounds very polite. Use this in nice restaurants with good service. Look at the menu first. Point to food if you cannot say the name. Ask, what do you recommend? The server will tell you good food to try. Say, what is this? If you see strange words, point to the menu item. Is this spicy? Ask this if you do not like hot food. They will tell you. How big is this? Ask about size. You want to know if it is enough. Does this have meat? Ask if you do not eat meat. Very important question. Is this fresh? Ask about fish or salad. Fresh food tastes much better. Can you make it with no onions? Ask to change things you do not like. What drinks do you have? Ask this to see all choices. They will list them. I will have water is simple. Water is free in most American restaurants always. Can I have fries with that? Add side dishes to make your meal bigger. What sides come with this? Ask what extra food comes with your main dish. Can you make it mild? Ask for less spicy food if you cannot eat hot. No cheese, please, tells them what to remove. Be clear about what you want. On the side means put sauce separate. Dressing on the side for salad. Extra sauce, please, if you like more flavor. Most places will give you more. Wave your hand to get the server. Say excuse me when they come over. I am ready to order tells them you know what you want to eat. Can I have a few more minutes? Say this if you need more time. What is taking so long? Ask this if your food is very late to come. Can I have the check, please? This asks for the bill when you finish. How much is the tip? Ask friends this. Tips are important in America always. Can I pay with card? Most places take cards. Cash is also good, though. Keep the change means the server can have extra money as a tip today. This is not what I ordered if they bring wrong food. Be polite but clear. This is cold if hot food comes cold. They will heat it up again. This tastes strange if something is wrong. They will check the food for you. Can I speak to the manager? Say this for big problems only when needed. For here or to go? They ask if you eat there or take home. What size? They ask about small, medium, or large. Pick what you want most. Do you want fries with that? They always ask this. Say yes or no. Your number is 12, means wait for them to call your number out loud. In fancy places, wait for someone to seat you. Do not just sit anywhere. At cafes, you often order at the counter first. Then sit and wait quietly. Food trucks are casual. Order at the window? Pay right away when you order. Buffets lets you get your own food. Pay first. Then take what you want. Always say please and thank you when ordering food. This shows good manners always. Smile when you talk. Servers work hard. Being nice makes them happy to help. Do not be rude if something is wrong. Speak calmly. They want to help. Tip 15 to 20% in sit-down restaurants. This is expected in America. Ordering food gets easier with practice. Start with simple words. Build confidence slowly over time. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Restaurant workers help many people every single day. Practice these phrases at home first. Then try them at real restaurants when you go. Thank you for listening today. Go order some delicious food now. You can do this!